Yo, free online money maker. Happy Thanksgiving. All right, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving, cash out. All right, FanDuel about to put some bets in, all right, before the game start off. Hope everybody's doing good out there. Spend some time with your family. Do what you got to do today. All right, leave everything behind. Just relax, chill out, spend some time with your family. And if you do got some free time, you know how you do. Try to get this money, all right, people? Try to get this money. All right, I'm gonna just do a quick. I cashed out $20 earlier. I'm gonna just cash out a quick $10 right now. Go to my Offer Nation account, and like I said, watch my tutorials. Study what I do. All right, study what I do. It's gonna be a FanDuel tutorial though. I'm about to go through real quick. Put a couple bets in for the night. Just want to hurry up and take this money out real quick. Also got a big cash out coming out next. Big time cash out coming out next for Thanksgiving, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna post that a little bit later. Let me go to withdrawal right here, and always go to Instant PayPal. I know everybody looking like, yo, it's $1. What you doing? I'm doing this because on my other site. Oh, okay. So I gotta change my points. Okay. So since my points are negative, I gotta change my points. All right, so I'm not able to catch this out right here. Well, let me explain to you why. Let me go to my convert. Let me explain to you why. Now, the reason why it's on negative, like how you get negative points. You get negative points is if somebody's completing a survey, like one of your referrals, if they're completing a survey, but they didn't finish it, they're halfway through it, and they didn't finish it. It's one of those long-term, hey, what's up, big guy? It's one of those long-term surveys where you could, basically they have two parts of a survey. You'll do one part, partial credit, and then once you finish the other part, you'll get the full credit, all right? And then you'll be able to get paid out. So sometimes it's like that, and that's why it's like this. All right, so once the your referral completes that, the other half of the referral, whatever, you'll get the little earnings right here. Your points will go up, and then it won't be on negative like this. All right, so that's how it gets on negative. So I gotta wait until that's that's completed, or I get more points from other referrals, so they can add up to this. All right, so while that's pending right there, let me go to my SuperPay account. And my SuperPay account right here, I'm gonna change these points to 814.78, and that's like $8.14 around there. Change that. I got some more points. Let me add those points real quick. 19.50. Those probably just came in. It's like 20 cents. Yeah, $10.06. Alright, so $10.06 in here. I'm gonna go to rewards, go to withdraw cash. The reason why I keep showing you these videos is just to show you, like, you can take this money and do different things. It's about what you're trying to do with this money when you start adding it up. Like, even if you make $5 a day off of this site, you're still making a couple grand at the end of the year, so it all adds up. Alright, so right now, just cashed out the $10. Should be to my PayPal. I think I had like $5 in my PayPal account, so it should be my PayPal account should be at $15 right now. Let me go to my FanDuel account. Alright, I'm already logged in. You can see right here I won a bet a couple of days ago right here. Just put $11 just to win 21 points under. I love doing points under. I'm gonna have a video on that. I got a lot of different things coming up. Right here, we're gonna put in. I like the Cowboys to win today. I like the Cowboys to win. I like the Saints to win. So I'm gonna take both of them right there. All right, now I'm gonna transition to basketball right here. All right, all these games are tomorrow. All right, so I'll put it. Oh, that's a lot of games. Everybody plays tomorrow. Wow, that's a full slate of games tomorrow. All right, let's see what I could do here. All right, love the Lakers for tomorrow. Blazers and Bulls. Stay away from those. Mavericks, Suns. Stay away from that. Clippers and Spurs. Clippers on a roll. They're due for one. I like Utah. I gotta love it. I'm only taking picks that I love, so I gotta love the picks. Gotta love it. Right? I love the Miami Heat versus the Warriors. Pacers and Hawks. I like the Sixers over the Knicks. Love the Bucks right here. I'm only taking the teams that I really love, right? Only taking the teams that I really love. I just logged me out because I was idling too long. So let me just log back in real quick. All right, just log back in here. Let's see the 6 teams I put right here. 16 parlays plus 261. Let's see what I got here so far. I got the Cowboys, I got the Saints, I got the Lakers, Miami over the Warriors, Sixers over the Knicks, Bucks. I got the Bucks over the Cavs. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, be careful. As you can see, she's cooking in there, so she's burnt. Probably got burnt back there. All right, you all right, baby? You okay, babe? All right, so right here, I could put $21. $21 would mean $75. So if I put $21 on all these teams hit right here, I win $75. I really love this, so I'm gonna take this. I really like this, so I'm gonna place this bet. Let me just move this over here. Right here, I'm gonna put place bet. I'm gonna take that bet right there. All right, game on. I'm gonna view my active bets real quick. Show you the show you what I got going. All right. So I got the Cowboys over the Bills, Saints over the Falcons, Lakers over the Wizards, Miami over the Warriors, Sixers over the Knicks, Bucks over the Cavs. All right, real conservative ticket, $21, won me $75. See what happens. All right, real quick, real easy. All right, people. So watch my my FanDuel tutorials. All right. Use my link in the description. If you use my link in the description, they got a promo that's going out for right now. First time users, you get $100, right? You get a free $100 bet if you use my link on signing up, all right? So use my link in the description, get a free $100 bonus, all right? Thanksgiving bonus, free $100, all right? Make sure you use that to your advantage, all right? Hit me up. Check me out on Instagram. I put my picks on Instagram. All right, you can ask me on which teams you got going on. Let me just check soccer real quick before that's what I usually do. I usually do in college basketball I like to do unders. So I'm gonna put some videos out there to show you guys how I calculate the unders. I usually take live bets. I usually wait until like 10 minutes left in the first half, and then I'll take the under. I'll calculate it and see how it goes, and I'll take the under, see how. And I did a lot of. I was hitting a lot of them last year. This year's just a little slow. Ain't got too much capital to play with, but we're gonna see. I like this ticket right here. We're gonna see what happens with this ticket right here. See if we can boost these earnings up real quick. Let me go to soccer right here. I should have checked the soccer before I actually put that ticket in. 12-10. Oh, okay. That's all right. They're not playing no time soon. 12-10. Okay. They're playing today. I don't know these teams. All right. So, if you're online money maker, make sure you use my system. All right. You see, I cashed out $10 on my other site right there. Just put in a $21 bet. Still got $15 in the PayPal account. Do whatever I gotta do. Still grinding. Got a big time cash out coming out later on today. All right, so stay tuned, stay focused out there. All right, hit me up if you have any questions. I do free training. All right, so just hit me up, ask me anything. I'll help you out every single day. Make sure you put this money together every single day and invest. All right, make sure you invest. All right. So hopefully we get another settled one right here. We can get another one put right there. We'll see what happens. All right, people. Happy Thanksgiving. Hope everybody have fun out there. Spend time with your family, and don't forget to get online on your spare time and make some free money. All right, make some free money. Use my link in the description. Get a free $100 bet. All right, get a free $100 bet if you use my link in the description. It's a Thanksgiving promo. I don't know how long it's going, but so if it's your first time watching this, sign up. Use that and start betting. All right, start betting for free. All right, depending on where you at in the country. All right, different states have different rules and regulations for betting, but I'm in New Jersey, so I'm good. So it depends on where you at. So definitely look that up, see where you at. If anything, just always take conservative bets. All right, you're just gonna have to put a lot of money down. That's how I usually do. I usually put a lot of money down on conservative bets. I just put a $21 down because I ain't really got a lot of money right now. You see what I'm saying? So once you get a lot of money, you want to put a lot of money on easy bets. That's how you want to do it. All right, but if you don't, you don't have too much capital, you gotta kind of take a bigger risk so you can get a bigger outcome. All right, so free online money maker. Use my system to invest and do different things. All right. Online, offline, and make sure it makes you more money. All right, every single day makes you more money. Be safe out there. Happy Thanksgiving. Free online money maker signing out. Peace.